everyone. Happy Thursday. What you're looking at are a bunch of thumbnails. This is my setup. This is where the magic happens. Cleared over $5,100 today. Yesterday was an $1,800 day. But what I'm going to recap is FSLY and why exactly did we trade it. I'm going to show you one of my favorite chart patterns that I like to see. This can be on any chart. In particular, I am going to go over a 1-minute chart as well as a daily chart. This is the relevance of this particular pattern, as in it doesn't matter the time frame. This one is called a flat top breakout, and FSLY in general, I'm going to show you a daily time frame. Although the price of this dropped, meaning we opened up to a gap and it was down, we saw the breakout occurring or getting ready to happen. So I'll go through the explanation of exactly what I see in terms of formation wise. I spelled this one out in the room in terms of what price had to do for us to trend higher. Price was right around here, this area. And if you just visually look at this right now, you'll see that our top is it's like flat. So I had an imaginary line going across the screen in the top of my head, although it wasn't there. I'm visually including this so you can be able to see what I saw as well. And we explode through that level, and then price eventually trended higher. From here to here, this movement alone, when it came to the options, was well over 200%. The calls were priced at about $2, right in this range, and it extended above $4 right at here. It was really an amazing move because that move took literally less than 15 minutes. It was a really great trade. And when you think about, wow, 200% return, where else could that possibly happen? So let's get into PayPal, because I'm going to explain the flat top breakout on a daily chart. This trade was our swing trade setup that we provided to our clients on Sunday. We send out the alerts on Sunday. Our entry point occurred on Monday. This went and moved well over $10 a share. The options in itself moved about a little bit over 300%, give or take. I'm going to explain the same concept, the flat top breakout. So notice here on the daily chart that the tops were flat. And then eventually price broke through. It could be breaking through a wall of sellers before it eventually moved higher. Our exit on this was 209 for the high end of our target. So great trade in a matter of 2 days. And that's why the options moved the way it actually moved. A little bit more details about the actual flat top breakout. It has to do a lot when price constantly hit highs, but not necessarily breaking through. And that's where the visualization of the flat tops occurs. So in this case, it happened on a daily chart. On the FSLY chart, it just happened on a 1-minute time frame. So you can visually see where the tops are rejecting a certain area before we eventually break through. And one more thing I want to point out about these two charts in particular, FSLY. First, let's go to PayPal. Flat tops generally occur in the direction of course. Both was up in movement, up on the daily for our flat top to be spotted. And although FSLY did drop, but when we took the trade off of a 1-minute, our trend was up as well. And that's the importance of spotting out flat top breakouts. So hopefully you found some great pointers within this concept in seeing how it was applied not only on a daily time frame for a swing trade, but also as a 1-minute chart. All these concepts are very important for a powerful chart pattern such as a flat top breakout. All right, everyone, take care, be safe, trade safe.